Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. Odisha High Court quashes vigilance case against former DGP Prakash Mishra. The CRPF DG describes the verdict as victory of truth. Union Coal Secretary Anil Swarup says centre would consider Odisha's request for Chendipada coal blocks to be allocated to state PSUs. 4-member central team to visit Sambalpur on June 25th to ascertain the suitability of sites identified by state government for the proposed IIM. Foodie King shows displeasure over delay in Brahma Parivartan rituals, says there should be no political interference in Sri Mandir administration. And police nabs Lady Don Saila Rana Singh from Soro for attacking policemen at Haldipadia slums in Bhubaneswar a few days ago. Now the details. In a huge relief to former Odisha DGP Prakash Mishra, the Odisha High Court today quashed a case against him registered by the State Vigilance Department, accusing him of financial irregularities during his stint as chairman cum managing director of Odisha Police Housing and Welfare Corporation. After the court order came out, Mishra said in his reaction that the verdict is a triumph of truth. He added, allegations levelled against him were found to be false by the court. Notably, Mishra had moved the High Court seeking to quash the FIR and to stop the criminal proceedings against him, terming the motive behind the filing of the complaint was oblique. Mishra, a 1977 batch officer, was holding the post between 2006 and 2009 in the rank of additional DGP. At present, Mishra is Director General of Central Reserve Police Force. Expressing optimism over the completion of the first phase of crucial Jharsuguda-Barpali railway line by June 2016, Union Coal Secretary Anil Swarup has said that the centre has not rejected the state government's application recommending Chendipada coal blocks to be allocated to state PSUs. Talking to media persons here yesterday, he said the centre would consider Odisha's request in the next round of allocation under due procedure. Swarup was in Bhubaneswar to discuss the progress of 11 coal mines of Mahanadi Coalfield Limited. He said completion of the Jharsuguda-Barpali railway line would ensure evacuation of about 20 million tonnes of coal from the pit head to power plants located in other places. Further, he said, as MCL has already made a record by producing 120 million tonne of coal last year and targets 150 million tonne production this year, the importance of the new railway line is very important. While giving adequate stress on coal evacuation system, Swarup said the country has generated 494 million tonne of coal this year, which is an increase of 32 million tonne from the previous year. On the state government's efforts to expedite coal production, Swarup said the state administration have been very positive. To another query, Swarup said the state government would earn rupees 45,000 crore over a period of 25 to 30 years from the coal blocks located in the state.
सबसे अच्छी प्रगति झारसुगुड़ा बारपल्ली की है और सबसे प्रसन्नता की बात यह है कि इसका प्रथम चरण यानी कि सिंगल लाइन जून 2016 तक संपादित हो जाएगा। इसी संदर्भ में मैं ये भी बताना चाहूँगा, महानदी कोलफील्ड जिसने लगभग 120 मिलियन टन का कोयला उत्पादन पिछले वर्ष किया था और हमें आशा है कि इस वर्ष वो 150 मिलियन टन उत्पादन कर लेगी। कोई भी ऐसा पावर स्टेशन नहीं है, पावर प्लांट नहीं है जहां पे कोयले की कमी हो। लेट मी वेरी क्लियरली से दैट वी हैव नॉट रिजेक्टेड एनी रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट। व्हाट वी हैव सेड इज दैट वी आर गोइंग एज पर द प्रोसेस। अगले 25 से 30 वर्षों में लगभग 45,000 करोड़ रुपए की धनराशि आएगी।
A 4-member central team led by Human Resource Development Joint Secretary Praveen Kumar will visit Sambalpur on June 25th to assess the suitability of sites identified by the state government for setting up of permanent and temporary campuses of the proposed Indian Institute of Management there. CPWD Chief Engineer Umesh Mishra and State Employment, Technical Education and Training Principal Secretary Asit Tripathi and IIM Indore Director Rishikant T. Krishnan will be other members of the team. The state government has identified Brahmanipalli, Basantpur, Gosala and Nildungri for permanent campus of the proposed IIM. Meanwhile, the newly set up Government Polytechnic in Ringali, Sambalpur University Institute of Information Technology in Burla and Silicon Institute of Information of Technology in Sashan have been identified for temporary campus. The state government had submitted a report to the HRD ministry on June 5th on the sites and availability of existing infrastructure in Sambalpur.
ये सेंट्रल टीम चलित मास 25 तारिख दिन संबलपुर गस्तर आसवे सुटेबल साइट आम जहाँ जहाँ लोकेशन प्रस्ताव देइथिलु से प्रस्तावित लोकेशन गुड़िक से माने देखिबे एवं तांकर मतामत देला परे परवर्ती पदक्षेप निया जिवो.
Setting March 2016 as the target for operationalization of the proposed health university in Odisha, the state government has constituted an expert panel to prepare a blueprint for the purpose. An expert committee with the Medical Education and Training Director as its chairperson would finalize the modalities for establishment of the health university, the first of its kind in the state. An official at the Chief Secretary's office said that the committee will submit its report on the matter by July 20th. The Health and Higher Education Secretaries would also be members of the expert panel. The decision in this regard was taken at a high-level meeting chaired by Chief Secretary G.C. Pati yesterday. The meeting discussed, among other things, the structure, profile, bylaws, funds and infrastructure of the proposed university. Barely a fortnight ago, the state government had announced the setting up of a health university in the state with an aim to provide quality medical education in Odisha. While there are 3 state-run medical colleges in Odisha, many private medical colleges, nursing colleges and dental colleges are also operating in the state.
एबे निष्पत्ति होइछि गोटे टीम गठन हेबो डीएमईटी अध्यक्ष रहिबे आ हायर एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट एवं ईटीटी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिसर माने से टीम रे रहिबे से माने सबु देखिबे अन्य स्टेट रे कोन केमती अछि हमर केमती ओडिसा रे सेटअप हे पारिबो करी कि हमको रिपोर्ट देले हमें निष्पत्ति नेबो.
Saila Rana Singh, dubbed as Lady Dawn, who was on run after attacking police at Haldipadia slums in Bhubaneswar, was arrested by the Commissionerate Police yesterday. Police Commissioner R.P. Sharma said Saila was arrested from Soro town in Balesur district along with her son, son-in-law and a daughter. Sharma added Saila's daughter Pooja alias Pinky, son Tutu alias Jitu and son-in-law Karan Pooja Panda were staying at a rented house in Soro. The police raided the house and arrested all the 4 persons including Saila. The police commissioner said Saila had attacked a police sub-inspector of Lakshmi Sagar police station on June 8th when the cops had rushed to Haldipadia slum to save a man from Saila and her associates were attempting to set on fire. 10 cases pertaining to extortion, illegal confinement, criminal trespassing and others were registered against her name. Sharma added, though Saila was arrested twice in the past, she repeated her criminal activities after getting bail.
कंप्लीट इंप्रेशन देइथिले जे माने गोटे ओपेरा पार्टी रो मेंबर से माने गोटे मेलोडी आर्टिस्ट्स अछंती आ सेही आकार रे माने लुचिगिरी रहउथिले. हमर सोर्स इन्फॉर्मेशन पाइबा परे पुलिस गठन पार्टी को पठा गला सेठी आ तापरे तांको आज सकाळे अरेस्ट करी भुवनेश्वर आना जाई छी.
सर सी तो बाड़ाबाड़ी करी सर हम छिनछतर करके हमको डर भय रखथिला आ सी आज के ठाकुर द्वारा से धरा पड़ी छी ऐसे जो भूल कर तो कड़ा गंडा शास्ति दिया जाए मुझे कहूँ चाहूँ जी सी आम करदे सारे बापा बो भाई भौणी समस्त बाड़े छिनछतर कर माने ये कर रखी कड़ा गंडा शास्ति पूरा दि जाऊ माने जी से जहाँ करदे आमठू डबल दि जाऊ.
Expressing his displeasure over the manner in which the Brahma Paribartan ritual of Lord Jagannath was performed on June 16th, Puri King Gajapati Maharaj Divya Singh Dev has said that there should be no political interference in the working of Sri Jagannath Temple administration. While reacting over the violation at the centuries-old tradition in Sri Mandir, the royal said he is hurt over the development that took place during Brahma Paribartan of deities. He added a handful of people were creating disturbance in the temple and they were not punished, indicating political patronage to such elements. Dev's statement came a day after Shankaracharya of Govardhan Peeth in Puri, Swami Nishchalananda Saraswati held the state government responsible for breaking the centuries-old tradition during Brahma Paribartan of Lord Jagannath. Asked whether he has any knowledge on the political patronage to troublemakers in the temple, the Gajapati Maharaj said that is obvious. Some people were creating trouble and going scot-free time and again. Stating that the temple is above politics, Dev said, vote bank politics should not be done over the temple and the Lord. Puri BJD MLA and chairman of Nabakalibar Infrastructure Committee, Maheshwar Mahanti, termed the development at the temple as unfortunate. Criticizing the state government over violation of tradition at the temple, BJP leader and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said the state government cannot escape from its responsibilities under the plea that Brahma Paribartan is a secret ritual. He emphatically said it was the responsibility of the government to ensure a hassle-free festival. State Congress President Prashad Harichandan also alleged that the disturbance in the Brahma Paribartan ritual is only due to careless handling of the matter by the state government.
महाप्रभुंकर प्रत्येक भक्तंक भलिया आमको मध्य व्यतीत करिछि परंपरा रो व्यतिक्रम हैला परंपरा भांगिला नहीं परंपरा रहिछि किंतु तार गोटे बहुत घोर व्यतिक्रम हैला परंपरा अनुसार जो माने भितर रहिबा कथा घट परिवर्तन समय से माने ही रहिबा उचित आ जदि अन्य केही रहिबा को चाहुचंती सेटा संपूर्ण भूल कथा ताकू आदाय आश्रय देवा कथा नुह तेणु वास्तव में कौन हैला कौन न हैला सेटा आमे टिके अपेक्षा करिबा मुख्य प्रशासकंकर से अनुसंधान परे कौन तथ्य बाहरुची से ताकू इनक्वायरी करिकि जहा डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन नबा कथा से नेबे दयिता मानक सहित मध्य मुख्य प्रशासक आलोचना करि सारिचंती ये गोटे छोटिया कथा न ये गोटे बहुत बड़ कथा केते जण मुष्टिमय व्यक्ति अछंती जो माने ये विशृंखला करूचंती हुए तो जो व्यतिक्रम करूचंती विशृंखला करूचंती व्यक्ति तांका विरुद्ध रे जेमिति कार्यानुष्ठान हवा कथा हुए तो आमे करि पारि नाहु एइतरे गोटे बड़ कथा हैला जे प्रशासन श्रीमंदिर प्रशासन जहा कार्य करूची सेतरे पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस न हो थाई पारे कारण जदि कौन केही व्यतिक्रम करूचंती आ तांका विरुद्ध रे कार्यानुष्ठान हो नाही प्रश्न उठिबो काहेकि हो नाही याको आपण केमिति बुझेबे श्रीमंदिर राजनीति एवं आमर राजनीतिक जो दलगत जो विभिन्न तांका भितरे सब रही वाद विवाद तार ऊर्ध्वरे श्रीमंदिर होचंती समस्तंकर एवं समस्त राजनीतिक दलंकर एवं समस्त राजनीतिक नेतांकर श्रीमंदिर को लेकिन कौन सी राजनीति बा वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स करवाटा आदौ उचित नुह जे महाप्रभु देखा चाहूँगी देख मोर कौन स्थिति है मोर जो ये जो बहुत निजर कार्यक्रम अंतरर कार्यक्रम वर्तमान से भी यही भलिया वर्तमान घटिला तेणु अबिका कौन उठिब नहीं अबिका कौन पुणी शोक रहा हूँ जगन्नाथ प्रेमी समस्त भक्त मानक महाप्रभु को वार्ता बोली मु बुझीबी
ब्रह्म परिवर्तन को नहीं जो विवाद देखा देछि सेतिर आमे गभीर भाव में व्यक्तिगत भाव में गभीर भाव मर्माहत और यह निश्चित भाव एक दुर्भाग्यजनक घटना दयितापति निजक रिपोर्ट तलब कर अपेक्षा करा से रिपोर्ट आसला परवर्ती कार्यानुष्ठान नियाजिबो सरकार निश्चित भाव ये घटना को गुरुतर भाव विचार कर
नवकलेवर सुचारू रूपे परिचालन करने यार मूल दायित्व राज्य सरकार दायित्व सी मुह बुलाई पारे मुझे गोटे न्यूज देखुली जे आमे गुप्त अंचल आमे कौन कर ए प्रकार ये दायित्वहीन मंतव्य
4 वर्ष धरी एते गुरुत्व देउथिबा कहूथिबा सरकार अत्यंत बेपरुआ भाव में परिचालना कर जो अभावनीय घटना घटे
मंदिर प्रशासक जे मुख्य प्रशासक अच्छा से निर्देश देते माने रिपोर्ट मागी रिपोर्ट आसला इनक्वारी जहाँ ना आसो जी आसो जंत्री मंत्री तंत्री जी हाउ नवीन पट्टनायक सरकार समय किए दोष कर दोष को केबे घंटे घोड़ाई दिया जाए ना
2 persons died and another was injured when a car collided head-on with a tanker on the National Highway 55 near Dhenkanal. Town Police Station Inspector in charge Pradeep Kumar Pradhan said the accident took place when the driver of the car tried to overtake another vehicle and during the process, the Angul-bound car collided head-on with the tanker. The deceased persons were identified as Prakash Chhabra and Deepak Pandey and were working as manager at Linkwest Telecom Limited, India. The seriously injured car driver was admitted to the government hospital while the tanker driver fled from the spot. 3 persons were killed due to lightning in Padagaon village of Bargarh district yesterday. The deceased were identified as Sitaram Panda of Odagaon, Bulupanda of Tora village and Sadananda Bhoi of Banshapola village. The mishap occurred when the trio was standing beneath a tree to protect themselves from the rain, and lightning struck them, killing all of them instantaneously. Police have seized the bodies and registered a case of unnatural death. The Commissionerate Police is yet to make any arrest in connection with a shootout in Patrapada on outskirts of Bhubaneswar. Though the cops have detained 2 persons and are questioning them, other accused Raju Barik and his associate are yet to be nabbed. Notably, 45-year-old building raw material supplier Dilip Naik was shot dead by a member of rival group following a heated exchange. Naik was rushed to Capital Hospital but was declared dead.
आ जहाँ जना पड़े प्राथमिक तदंतर बर्तमान जो गोटे जगह कम को लेकर भर डिस्प्यूट था तो प्रिवियस एनिमिटी भी थी पारे सेटा भी आम देखुचु तो भर आगु के एनिमिटी थी कि कौन से प्रकार गंडगोल थी कि एंगलटा भी आम देखुचु अन्य लोक भी अच्छा आम प्रत्यक्षदर्शी भी आम अकाउंट को नेबू तापर एफआईआर लज है एफआईआर को भी आम अध्ययन कर सब को तदंत कला जना पड़े बर्तमान तो गोटे राउंड से पोस्टमार्टम पर जना पड़े एक्जाक्टली केते राउंड फायर होइछे।
Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has directed the officials of Forest and Environment Department to include Kendu leaf pluckers and binders under Prime Minister's Insurance Security Scheme. After a review meeting of the Department Secretariat yesterday, Forest and Environment Minister Bikram Keshari Arok told media persons that the state government will bear the amount required for the scheme. Similarly, a decision was taken to form more than 5,000 Bana Suraksha Samitis under Amar Jangala Yojana. Arok added the Chief Minister also directed the officials to take steps in the direction of conserving 2,261 places of worship of tribals. Chief Secretary G.C. Pati, Development Commissioner U.N. Behra and senior officials were present in the meeting. Before wrapping up the headlines once again, Odisha High Court quashes vigilance case against former DGP Prakash Mishra. The CRPF DG describes the verdict as victory of truth. Union Coal Secretary Anil Swarup says centre would consider Odisha's request for Chendipada coal blocks to be allocated to state PSUs. 4-member central team to visit Sambalpur on June 25th to ascertain the suitability of sites identified by state government for the proposed IIM. Foodie King shows displeasure over delay in Brahma Parivartan rituals, says there should be no political interference in Sri Mandir administration. And police nabs Lady Dawn Saila Rana Singh from Soro for attacking policemen at Haldipadia slums in Bhubaneswar a few days ago. Thank you for watching. Good night.